What's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis, and we're doing a real quick unboxing today. This one's, I did this video before, a recent video on the same company, a different wallet this time. Last time it was the Muradin RFID wallet, which was more leather. You go back, that's my dog in the background, he's crying. You go back and take a look at that video. I'll have the link down below. That one I did 11,000 viewers in the video. Come up, good boy. So anyway, this one's another Muradin, Muradin RFID wallet. Is a little bit different than the brand, a little bit different from the style I did before. If you take a look at that video, you'll notice the two style differences. I had a wallet like this, but it was from a different company, where it was more like a clip, money clip, where you could insert credit cards through it and make it look, you know, a certain way. I don't have nothing here as far as credit card wise I can show you as far as slipping it in, but we're gonna unbox it. I have it right here, the wallet, and I'm gonna run real quick and go get some like fake credit cards. Another great thing about the Muradin wallet brand, in comparison to other wallets and everything like that, like the Ridge wallet and stuff like that, it is way less as far as price, the affordability. It's really really great. Ridge wallets I know run anywhere close to $100, and other wallet brands I know, I think I don't even want to pronounce the names, but there are other wallet brands I know where the price is $79. Muradin wallets, I'm literally paying $11 for it. At the most, maybe $29. My other wallet brand that I bought, for my other Muradin wallet that I bought, that the link is down below, was roughly around $29. You're not paying no more than $30 for this brand. It's a well-quality brand. It's well-structured. The wallet's quality is well-structured, so I'm very much confident in that product. So definitely don't feel, you know, worried that, oh, all right, I'm only paying this much for it. Is it quality? Yes, it's quality. You go down and see my other video, like I said, and see the other wallet that I purchased prior to this. I'm back. So got a little fake credit card here. This is from the first one that they gave me before, but I want to give you an example of how this actual wallet works, and so you have no hiccups on using it, if anything, and total confident in it. If you don't know what RFID wallets are, RFID wallets block certain people using scanners that try to get your personal information, your credit card information, and try to take it and use it to make purchases or to sell it on the dark and deep web. And this type of wallet prevents it from being stolen. It's called RFID. If you're not familiar with the term or what it means, that's exactly what it means in a nutshell. And it's just basic protection. This one right here on Amazon, $11.96. $11.96 to protect your information from people walking around with scanners. And with this being beginning of October, end of September, beginning of October, Christmas season, walking in malls, if you like to still shop outside and stuff like that, or go to Target, or you go to Walmart or anything like that, people are walking around with scanners trying to get your information. Basic hackers, basic scammers that's into that type of stuff, are walking around and trying to get your basic information and make purchases with it, if not sell it, where they can make, you know, totally ruin your life if possible. So it's very important. I've been using RFID wallets for the past, and mainly Muradin, which is this company right here. Been using that mainly for the last year or so, and I've been, you know, knock on wood, haven't had any information stolen. And we're gonna go right to unboxing. I got my trusty knife here to open up the package. Boom. And I usually don't do unboxings showing my face, but decided to do that today. So it comes in a nice little box. My other Muradin wallet, you see it right there. Came in a nice little box, pretty simple. Get rid of the package real quick, and the way it comes, it's not like it's taped down or anything. It's very convenient. Slip it open, and we're gonna see the wallet real quick. It's in the plastic, and this one right here is more so the type of model that you slide the credit cards in. Kind of like if you've seen the other company, what they call it, Ridge wallet. So here's how it looks. It's very tactical, very sleek looking, very handsome looking, very small. If you have, back in days, you had a big ass wallet that would give you, believe it or not, it could give you hip problems, or people could just walk by and get your information. Like I said, scan it. Or it's big and bulky in your pocket, it's inconvenience in the way, you're sitting down on it, or you're actually on your side and everything. This one right here, very sleek. I had a model like this. It wasn't this brand, but now I don't mess with anything but this brand right here, Muradin, the M on the back. Reason I had a model like this and it was sleek, it didn't, you might be worried that it might fall out your pocket, but believe it or not, it never did. It was firm. I felt for it all the time. It was always there. And then we're going to go straight to showing you how the credit cards work. This is a money clip right here. You can just insert your dollars or whatever you have here, and it holds it. It's very firm. I'm going to use something that's not money, just a basic paper, just to show you that we have a receipt that my girl has laying around here. We're going to slide it in right here. It is very tight, and look, this only, so your money is firm. Boom. Receipts firm in this. It's not going nowhere. We're shaking it. Boom. It's not going anywhere. It is firm and snug in there. So now this could hold close to damn near 20 something to 30 credit cards in it. It actually expands. I'm gonna take this out so you can see a little bit better. So it has a slot here, right? This slot allows for easy usage of the credit card being slipped in. Boom, snap it in, and it actually expands. This has a little band right here, so it won't push it out this way. Also have a band on top, band in the bottom, so it's protected 3 ways, right? It's just only open here. My last one that I had, it was open in the back, so you used to slide out the back, slide out the front. That's why I went with Muradin, because they make a better quality product. So right here, if you can see that ridge right here, this is how you push the credit card back out. And sorry if I greased it up. I just came out the shower. I use lotion, and my hands have a little bit of grease on it. Boom, slide it back out, slide it back in. It expands. It holds quite a few, maybe 10, 20 credit cards in here. I don't know who the hell has that many credit cards. I don't know why you'd want that many credit cards. You can hold your ID in it, and it looks perfect. All right. So this was a quick unboxing of the Muradin Tactical Wallet. I got it on Amazon, $11.96, I think it was, after and then of course shipping. Oh well, no, I have Prime, no shipping taxes after that. It was probably like 13 something. So if you're looking to make a small investment to protect your well-being, your identity, your well-earned money from scammers, people with scanners walking around, Christmas season coming up, this is a good wallet to have. The Muradin products are good wallets to have because they do a lot of things pertaining to RFID, and I firmly believe in RFID wallets is a very well need. If you're a male, female, anybody that's looking to protect themselves, RFID wallets are a good gift to give for Christmas. I'm literally gonna, my father, my brother-in-law, my uncles, all of the guys that I know that have Christmas gifts to give, I'm getting a bunch of Muradin wallets and giving it to them. If they want to use it, they definitely use it. If not, they'll still thank me for it, but I'm certain they'll like the product when they get it. They know their identity and everything else is protected. So I'm gonna leave you here with this. Like I said, it's a good purchase. Refer back to my old video. The link will be down below so you can see what it was, the other wallet that I have, which I've been using it for close to a year now. It's my everyday wallet. Very much satisfied with it. Very much can't complain about it. And I'm gonna leave you with that. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. Talk to you later. Peace.